What's up, teenagers? Today I'm going to be unboxing a tea gift I got from one of my followers in China. This gift took some time to get to South Africa, but it finally got here. Inside were 2 teas that I'm excited to try with you guys. I have no idea what these teas are, but we're going to learn about them together. And then I also got this really cool filter in the shape of a leaf. You just put this on top of a cup and pour the tea through this and filter out anything that needs to go. Looking forward to trying this out as well. Let's go.